What does it mean to be truly ready for the future? At the Anchorage School District, it's about more than just a diploma. It's about sparking a growth mindset. We're shaping fully engaged learners, critical thinkers who are digitally literate, intellectually curious, and ready to adapt to an ever-changing world. Our graduates step into the workforce with real-world career and life skills. They are problem solvers, resilient self-starters who possess the time management and strong work ethic today's employers look for. They are powerful communicators, active listeners who value teamwork, connect inclusively, and aren't afraid to take the initiative. Most importantly, they leave us with a positive sense of self and purpose, confident, community engaged, and culturally responsive leaders. This is our promise. This is ASD's Portrait of a Graduate. Learn more at asdk12.org.